Hello everyone. Hello. Jashwant, Gyaneshwari, Gokul, Hasani. Am I audible to you all? Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Mahesh, Teju. So interesting names you have written. You have not written your own name. How are you all? Fine, good. Vallabh. You can see your comments of your friends also. Sandhya, Mahesh, Tejdeep. Fine, good. Yes. So you are knowing that this is gift class, na? Gift. A small gift to you all from Sri Gosalites. You are about to pass your class 10th and you are moving towards a totally new journey. Okay? You have made up your mind. Now, whatever we are going to teach, that is exactly from NCERT. Exactly from NCERT. So whether you are preparing for medical, engineering, simple +2 exams also, means intermediate, this will help you. Okay? Sir, did you have any word like quantum in our NCERT textbook of class 10? Class 10, so you have studied lucky, na? Huh? We are teaching class 11, 12. Don't worry, in class 11, atomic structure chapter is there. There 4 or 5 pages are there, which is based on this quantum things. Okay? Jyotirmay. Pranathi. They have told you in this gift class, many teachers will be teaching you. It is not like that only one teacher will be teaching every topic. You will be able to interact with everyone. You will be friendly to everyone. You are just moving from class 10th to 11th. When the results will be there? In which month? May, I think. Ma'am taught you periodic table, I think, na? Okay. So we will now, periodic table means inorganic chemistry. Now till now you were studying only chemistry. Now they will divide the chemistry into 3 parts: physical, inorganic, organic. So organic, few basic things we will study in this week. May 13th you will get your result. Okay, no problem. We will discuss your results also. What do you think? How much marks you are going to score? Revati, Rahul, Lakshmi. Above 450 out of 500. Very good. Anyone expecting around 490? Or someone expecting 500 also? Sir, I have not done any mistake. I will get complete marks. At least we can expect, na? We can expect the highest part. How much we will get? We will see it. Gotham 470. Very good. Gokul 470. 5,000 also someone is expecting. Simba. How you will get 5,000? One extra zero you will get. Chalo, no problem. Whatever we will get, we will see at that time. But let's talk about organic chemistry. So see, we are going to see proper NCERT. over here, when you will join, you will see that they are teaching you directly by lines of NCERT. When we talk about NEET, you will see that NEET questions are not difficult. In fact, if you check last year, if you have an idea, total 720 marks. Many people got 720 out of 720. Here though 1 or 2 are thinking na ki sir I will get 500 out of 500. In NEET last year many people got 720 out of 720. Question paper was so easy. I think 260 students were in the top marks. So see, one thing I want to tell you about chemistry. Chemistry is very easy, very scoring. Everyone will tell you this. Condition is that you should not be afraid from it. Once you are afraid of chemistry, ठीक है ना? Problem will start. Paper leak nahi re bhai, paper leak nahi. Paper was so easy that everyone getting marks. Paper was so easy. This time we expect slightly tougher one, but then also NEET paper is very easy. NEET is never about difficulty level. First thing you should keep in mind, IIT JEE Advanced, that is a different level. Mains, it is a different level. NEET is a different level. Because many people are not knowing only what questions are going to come. Online they are attending lecture here, there, anywhere, and you are solving 10 line questions. Calculation you are doing in one page. You just think in 3 hours, 180 minutes. Now, you will get, I think, 180 questions only. So you have only 1 minute for each question. In this, you cannot do calculation of one page. So NEET is never about difficulty. It is just about syllabus completion. How much syllabus you can complete, how many things you can keep in your mind. That's it. If you are able to revise just everything, revision, you will score very good marks. We don't have to go in detail of any topic. Although we will teach you many things, but if you just know basic about every topic, you can qualify NEET very easily. Like you will see today, we are going to study organic chemistry. Organic means you can say carbon. Line by line of NCERT we will see here. All the solved example of NCERT. Take na exercises of NCERT. We will not go beyond NCERT. Sometimes if we will go, then we will write it there. Ki bhai, this is out of NCERT. We will write like this. Now we are going to see only NCERT. Like when you will open NCERT, you will find like this. Ki organic means what? Organic means carbon. Then they will say in the next line, ki carbon has a very good tendency of making bonds, which you also know. Batao, which property of carbon enables it to make bonds with itself and other compounds? In 8th, 9th, 10th class also this point is there. Batao? Pata hai? Catenation. Acha, you have to reply also. You have to reply nicely. ठीक है ना? We are here to study. We are here to interact. There is nothing to get afraid. Full focus in the class. You don't have to open any other tab beside it. We will not say like this also, in 1 hour I will teach you everything. Attend 1 hour class, get 720 marks. Never possible. Catenation, very good. So in the first 2 lines of NCERT only they will take this name, ki bhai catenation is there. Then they will say like this, ki carbon can bond with other carbon. It can also bond with oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen, phosphorus. When you will see the question paper which you will give you here, they will ask you all these points. Line by line they will ask you NCERT so that you remember complete NCERT only. So much practice is done. And in NEET also questions will come from NCERT. ठीक है. So catenation, and they will talk about organic compound ki carbon having bonds with other atoms also. We will also discuss ki why carbon is having catenation tendency. Why carbon is having catenation tendency. So reason behind that is there. Then they will say ki how the first organic compound was formed. They will write ki everything there is organic. We are organic. Clothes you are wearing organic. ठीक है ना. Protein organic. ठीक है ना. So they will discuss here what was the misconception. There was one scientist, he was saying कि organic compound we can make from only plants, animals. Then other scientist came, he said कि no, we can make in lab also. ठीक है. Then there is a reaction in NCERT. All of you can open NCERT also. If you are having NCERT, you can open NCERT beside you. NCERT is now everything for us, at least in chemistry. Some people have read it. They are saying, sir, Hohler is there, vital force theory is there, Berzelius is there. ठीक है. Acetic acid was formed. याद है ये सब? 1828, 1845. Can you see it? So these things only you have to read. Then finally they will tell you कि how to write structure, how many types of structures are there. They will say कि there is expanded form, there is condensed form, there is bond line, and there are questions based on this. Like I have taken one of the question, expand these things, this. Then we will also talk about sigma bond, pi bond, hybridization a bit. ठीक है ना. So like this much topics we will cover in this week. Then finally we can go to the nomenclature also. Like name of everyone is important. What you are writing here, you are also having some name. So compounds are also having some names. ठीक है ना. UPSC nomenclature is there. Then we see the nomenclature part, ki how to write name of a compound. You have heard the names like 2,3-dimethyl butane. How we are saying this name? 2,3-dimethyl butane. Benzene is there, which is everywhere. ठीक है. Ammonium cyanate you have seen, very good. Ammonium cyanate formula what? Hatmika, Akshara, Gokul, Tejdeep, Lucky Bhaskar. Cyclic structures they have written, correct. All these things are there. ठीक है. So let's start our journey. Pray to God, take name of God. May God bless you in this journey of 2 years, and you do good, get seat in medical college and become a doctor. Treat your patient nicely, give discount to your teachers. Chalo. So let's start. So first we'll start with this point only ki bhai, what is catenation? Catenation, what you can say? You can simply say, sir, this is self-linking capability. Self-linking capability. Like carbon can connect with other carbon atom. It can form single bond, it can form double bond, it can form triple bond. ठीक है ना. So self-linking. If we want to tell in one word, we can say catenation is what? Self-linking tendency. Carbon has very high catenation tendency. Carbon has very high catenation tendency due to, अब बताओ, do you know any point कि why carbon has very high catenation tendency? You know carbon element na, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Later on you will study group 14. There they will write कि carbon has highest catenation tendency and lead no catenation. Lead ledu. Pb is lead. And due to catenation only, carbon is able to form a variety of compounds. So many compounds are there. ठीक है. So many compounds are there that we have to separately study organic chemistry. This also they are writing in NCERT. There is a separate branch of chemistry where we talk about compounds of carbon. Clear? So it can form covalent bond with other. So the reason is this, कि multiple bond tendency. First point we can write this only, कि multiple bond tendency. What we can say first? Multiple bond tendency. Carbon can form single also, double also, triple also, everything is there. But not all the elements are able to do this. If you think, sir, phosphorus, I will make triple bond. No, not possible. ठीक है ना? All are not able to do this. Sulfur, sir, I will make double bond. Very less. Triple तो not possible. Like this they are saying. ठीक है? So what we are saying, बताओ क्या बोला कि first point is multiple bond tendency. Other thing they are saying also कि अरे it is a small size ना. Carbon is what? Carbon is small size. Small size, that's why it is able to bond with each other. That's why it is able to bond with each other. बताओ any other point you are knowing? बोलो भाई, you are knowing any other point? One child saying, Tejdeep, sir, bond is also very strong. Carbon bond which you are saying na, that bond is also very strong. Bond energy is high. How we measure strength of the bond? By bond energy. So you can say ki bond energy, carbon bond energy. What you will say? Carbon bond energy is what? High. Now here only I will give you homework. Lo bhai, homework le lo. What homework you have to do? You are at your home, you have book. If you don't have book, you have internet where you keep on doing rubbish. ठीक है ना? So from all these sources, you have to tell me कि what is the bond energy of carbon single bond, double bond. चलो, you can find triple bond also, your choice. So this is your homework. You have to tell me bond energy. If you are more interested, you can tell me bond length also. You can tell me bond length also. अच्छा, वल्लभ इज सेइंग कि सर कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड तो वीक. अरे कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज वीकर देन आयनिक बॉन्ड. कंपैरेटिवली यू आर सेइंग ना कि कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इज वीकर देन आयनिक बॉन्ड, बट इट इज नॉट दैट वीकर आल्सो. ठीक है ना? Now some people have written quickly also, sir, 611 kilojoule for double bond compared to 347 for the single bond. You have checked? Like this only you have to be active. ठीक है? Homework. You are at home, you will do some work. That is known as homework. Clear? तो चलो देख लेना. You are saying, sir, what you are saying, sir, data remembering and all. Arre, one time this question also came in mains. I think around 10 years back. Around 10 years back, there was one question where they were asking bond energy of CC. Approximately, they were asking bond energy of CC also. So you should check it. You can get these things in NCERT hydrocarbon chapter. Hydrocarbon chapter is there, where you are talking about carbon single bond, carbon double bond, means alkane, alkene, alkyne. You can see comments of your friends also, na? So done. अब बताओ, can you tell me D point also? Any other point is there? कोई और पॉइंट बता सकते हो या लेट्स कीप इट 3 ओनली? ठीक है. सो दीज 3 आर मेजर पॉइंट्स. यू कैन से दीज 3 आर मेजर पॉइंट. कैटेनेशन वी हैव अंडरस्टूड, एंड ड्यू टू दिस कैटेनेशन कार्बन कैन फॉर्म मेनी कंपाउंड्स. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स कम टू मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला? बताओ. चलो, आई विल चेंज द स्लाइड्स, अदरवाइज यू विल फेस प्रॉब्लम. बताओ, what do you mean by molecular formula? ठीक है, 1.54 एंगस्ट्रॉम और यू कैन से 154 पिकोमीटर, ठीक ना. सो मोर डेटा वी हैव, बेटर कंडीशन विल बी देयर. हो गया. बताओ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. यू हैव सीन मेनी मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. सर वाटर, अरे सर मिथनॉल फॉर्मूला इज CH3OH, मीथेन फॉर्मूला इज CH4. So what do you mean by molecular formula? These are molecular formula. You can say कि molecular formula gives an idea about types of atom and their exact number in a compound or a molecule, you can say. So we can say like this कि it gives idea about types of atom and their exact number in a molecule. Like see, if you talk about methanol has how many types of atom? बताओ तो. So Suryans is writing, sir, represents the actual number of atom of each element present in a molecule of a compound using subscript to indicate the quantity of each atom. Very good, correct. So there are three types of atom: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. How many carbon atom? 1. How many oxygen atom? 1. How many hydrogen atom? 4. Clear? In this also you can say here a carbon, hydrogen, 2 types only. Here only I will tell you about I have used the name hydrocarbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbon? From the name only it is clear here hydrocarbon means carbon and hydrogen only. Hydrocarbon means what? Carbon and hydrogen only. Hydrocarbon, from the name only it is clear. तो बताओ तो मिथनॉल is this a hydrocarbon? बोलो, मिथनॉल is this a hydrocarbon? No. Nah, because oxygen is also there, na. That's why I have written only. Oxygen nahi bhai, carbon and hydrogen only. Understood? Okay. Now we will talk about next thing, that is your structural formula. There is one more thing, empirical formula also, but empirical formula we will leave now. Structural formula. बताओ, what do you mean by structural formula now? Structural formula. बताओ. Structural formula. Methane is a hydrocarbon, correct? Methane is a hydrocarbon. Structural formula means what? Structure. Simple English. Structure. Now structure. What do you mean by structure? You can say, sir, connectivity. Who is connected to whom? What is connected to what? How it is connected? This is shown by structural formula. Connectivity, you can say. Like one child have written, sir, structure formula, identify the location of chemical bond between atom. A structure formula consists of symbol of atom connected by short lines. Short lines, they have used the word in NCERT dash. They will say we can represent in many ways. Identify the location of chemical bond, correct? So you can say it tells about connectivity between the atoms. Connectivity between the atoms. Ki how atoms are connected? Who is connected to whom? They are connected by single bond, double bond, triple bond. By what is the connection? So that is known as what? Structural formula. Clear? Done? Okay. Now this structural formula can be divided into many parts. Like they will say expanded form, condensed form, bond line, expanded form, condensed form, bond line form. From the name only everything is clear. Batao, expand means what? Expand. Condense means what? Condense. Bond line means what? Line. So from the name only you can think like this. You also know, sir, there was one thing, na, Lewis dot structure. I have heard. Lewis dot structure. They were representing electron by dots. Have you heard about Lewis? Batao. Lewis. Hanish. Meghna. All are there. Many students are there. 84 are live. How many of you are from Andhra Pradesh? Outside Andhra Pradesh. Let's ask outside Andhra Pradesh. Because many are from AP only. Outside Andhra Pradesh. Let's see from where you are watching this video. Odisha. Okay. Scientist. Odisha, 2 people. Bihar. Okay. Veeraswamy. Odisha. So either you are AP or the border of AP. No? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh connected. Chennai Express. Bas 2-3 states only. Kashmir also. Okay. So all of you in different states are also bonded. There is a bond between you all. Maharashtra. Okay. So like here also atoms are connected. They are bonded. Like you all are bonded. Now we can think, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha are bonded strongly. Why? They are sharing their borders. Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra are very far. Goa is connected to every state. Not by borders, by emotions. Korea also. Which Korea? North Korea, South Korea? Okay. So like everyone is connected, everyone are good people. So here also we will talk about the bond and how to represent it. This is just a representation, you can say. This is just a representation, you can say. Pune. In Andhra Pradesh also we can check. There are many districts of Andhra Pradesh. So many people are from there. Badao, Anantapur, Kadapa, Tirupati. Which cities? Ongole, Guntur. Krishna district. Krishna district, we are also there in Krishna district. Kurnool. Kadapa people are more generally, no? Chittur, Srikakulam, Nellore, NTR district. Manyam, Vizag. See, Kadapa. Anantapur also, Kadapa also. Tirupati, Nandyal, Amravati. Amravati is developing very nicely nowadays. Ongole, Madurai temple. Anyone from Vijayawada? Batao, anyone watching from Vijayawada? Machilipatnam nearby. Port developing there. Anyone from Vijayawada? No. East Godavari. Chalo, theek hai. Guntur nearby only. So we will talk about expanded form. Expanded means what? Expand. So see, I will write one compound. You know alkane. Everyone know alkane at least. Sir, there it is a family. You can say alkane is what? Alkane is a family. So you will say, sir, I have heard some words. What you have heard? Methane is there, sir. Ethane is there. Propane is there. Butane is there. ठीक है. So let's see. Suppose I want to talk about propane. Everyone knows कि sir propane ना formula, slide formula you know. What formula you know? Sir, formula is like C3H8. I will also tell you कि how to write the formula and all. So this is, what is this? C3H8 if I write, then what is this? C3H8. Can you tell? What is this C3H8? C3H8 is a molecular formula. C3H8 is a molecular formula. ठीक है. Now I want to write its structure. कि how structure you can write. Now many people will write structure. Some will write like this. कि sir, see na 3 carbon. I have written 3 carbon. See, this point is very important. कि carbon is tetravalent. This also you can put here on the first page where you have written this na. Here also you can write कि tetravalency. Carbon can form 4 bonds. This you have to keep in mind every time. Carbon can form 4 bonds. So you have to satisfy its 4 bonds. So what you will do? Carbon, carbon, carbon. Then they will say, sir, 1 bond done, na? 3 bonds left. So hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Sir, here 2 bonds left. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Sir, here also, how many hydrogen I will put here? बताओ तो कितना hydrogen लिखेगा इधर? How many hydrogen I will put here? बोलो बोलो. Chishya, Akshara, Teju. Hello, how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. So see, every carbon having 4 bonds or not? Yes. How many carbon bond? You can say, sir, 2 carbon bonds are there. How many carbon hydrogen bond? You can say, sir, 8 carbon hydrogen bonds are there. So this is the representation of propane. This is the representation of propane. Now some people will write, ki sir, this much you are writing na, big. I don't want to write this much, sir. So many lines I have to draw, dash, 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 so many things I have to write. I will write in shortcut, sir. ठीक है भाई, लिखो. How you will write shortcut? They are saying, sir, I want to write this much only. Lo. Sir, I want to write this much only. See, sir, I have written this is CS3, written. This is CH2, written. This is CS3, written. Some will say, sir, I want to write like this. So in this, what you are seeing is some of the bonds have been omitted. Some of the bonds, we are not showing the bonds. We are not showing the bonds. We are showing only the atoms. We are showing only the atoms. We are showing only the atoms. ठीक है ना? So this is known as condensed form. This is known as what? Condensed. This is what? Expanded. Now some people will be more lazy. Ki sir, I don't want to write atoms also, sir. Who will write these atoms? I don't want to write atoms. So you will not mention carbon, hydrogen also. You will simply do like this. Look. What is this, bhai? This is the tick mark. No, sir. This is propane. This is bond line. Zigzag we make. Zigzag. Bond line. Every starting, every ending, every turning. That is a carbon. So this is a carbon. This is a carbon. This is a carbon. Clear? Then you will say, sir, where are hydrogen then? Where are hydrogen? Which match is there today? IPL also you are watching or what? A 7:30. Don't change the channel, don't change the tab. There are so many matches every year IPL comes. We can just see the score after 1 hour, every ball by ball. Now we can do also. You are having leisure time. But see, one thing you have to keep in mind. Everything can come and go, but these 2 years will never come again. If you work hard in these 2 years, you will get so much. ठीक है ना? So set your priorities and do accordingly. Live score best option. Pin. Distraction is not there. Whose match going on today? CSK match. CSK to yesterday only na. Today whose match is there? Cyclohexane will come. We will come to cyclohexane also. Don't worry. LSG and Punjab. Okay. Lucknow Super Giants. Toss happened. All are looking there only. Chalo bhai, I will tell you here only कि toss happened, how many wicket down, who is the first one to bat. So we will discuss here only. Punjab winner, LSG ball, done, updated. Now let's study. So what we are saying is, sir, this carbon, this carbon, this carbon. Sir, where is hydrogen? How I will know? 3 carbon so I can see, carbon, carbon, carbon. But how I will know where is hydrogen? Now here this point will help us. We have already said कि carbon. We have already said carbon. Carbon 4 bonds compulsory. Carbon 4 bonds kawali. No. So you just think 4 bonds kawala. So you just think here, this is carbon, 1 bond only connected. Then how many hydrogen is required here? Bolo. How many hydrogen bond required here? 3. So 3 hydrogen should be there. Talk about this carbon. Sir, this side also bond, that side also bond. 2 done. Then how many required? 2 more. So 2 are here. So these things we will have to understand on our own. 4 bonds we have to complete. Okay? So now you understand what is expanded, what is condensed, what is bond line. Clear? Is it okay? Here you have to show bond also, atom also, bond also. Here generally we show only atoms. ठीक है ना? Some bonds can be there, but many bonds are removed. ठीक है? And this one what? Here we don't show any carbon, any hydrogen. Other heteroatoms can be shown. Heteroatoms like what? Oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur can be written. Generally, we don't write carbon, hydrogen. Hydrogen understood automatically. Clear? First one is, which one you like? Let's one child is saying, sir, first one is better. Batao to bhai, which one is easy? Which one you like? Which one is kamchori? Which one is lazy people habit? Which one will save time? Tell 1, 2, 3. Which one is your preference? Everyone tell. 1, 2, 3. Which one is your preference? Jaldi, jaldi, write quickly. Bhai, tap, tap, tap. 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. Many people are writing 2, 1, 1. No one is writing. Very less people writing 3. But you will see in future that third one is the best one. You are not knowing now, that's why you are facing problem. But you will find in future that third one is the best one. Who will write carbon, carbon again? Batao to, dekho idhar. Suppose I have to write cyclohexane. You know how to write cyclohexane? They will write like this. I can write cyclohexane like this. This one you will prefer or this one you will prefer? Batao. Which one you will prefer? So slowly and gradually, as you will learn, no one writes condensed form and no one writes expanded form. Everyone write the shortcut. Everyone write the shortcut. Shortest one, easiest one. Not easiest because somewhere we face problem also. Many people do mistakes also. So you can say, sir, this one is a bit condensed one, na? This one is a bit condensed one, and this is bond line. Condensed bond line. Condensed bond line. Can you expand this? For expansion, you will have to show CH bond also. CH, CH, CH like this. Is it okay? So chalo, let's study one more thing. Like suppose you are having this. Batao, how many carbon are there in this? How many carbon are there in this compound? This is only cyclohexane. One child was asking again and again, sir, cyclohexane, cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So this is pentane. This is what? Pentane. This is condensed form only. This is condensed form. You can condense it more. You can also write this structure as CS3, CS2 3 times CS3. Both are condensed form. Both are condensed form. Clear? Both are condensed form. Clear? Okay. One thing only we'll have to be careful. Like you have to see this thing. When CS3 is there, common sense. When CH3 is there, see, when CH3 is there, means what? Already 3 bonds over. Only 1 bond is left. Means what? It will be at terminal. Means what? It will be at one end. This side, that side, any one side at one end. If you write CH2 means what? It will be in middle. Only 2 bonds are there. So 1 bond should be on the left side, 1 bond should be on the right side. This you have to keep in mind. Because many times we do mistake. What mistake we do? I will tell you. See here. Acha, can you write bond line structure for this? See, bond line so easy. Bond line, you don't have to show carbon, hydrogen. You don't have to show all the bonds. Just do like this. Bolo, how many carbon? Is it correct? Bola to bhai. Is the given structure correct for 5 carbon? Bolo. Is the given structure correct for 5 carbon? No. You are having how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can write 1 more dash. Now it is 5. Now it is 5. Getting the point? Methane to only 1 carbon is there na. तो क्या करेगा उसमें? We don't represent. No significance. ठीक है? Now they can give you some question like this also. कि CS3 hold twice CH CS3. What is this diagram? What is this diagram? Now many people what they will say? They will do like this. Ki sir, see na, very good. CS3 2 times. So I will write like this. CS3, CS3. Then what sir? CH is there. CH. Then what? CS3. Bolo bhai, is this correct? Bolo bhai, is this correct? Tell. Say correct. No. How you can say? See sir, CS3, how many bonds of this carbon? Batao to. How many bonds you have made? 5 bonds you have made. Left, right, 2 and 3 hydrogen, 5. We have already said ki CS3 should be at end. And see this carbon also. 4 bonds are not there. See this carbon also. 4 bonds are not there. So what mistake you have done, you know? You have not seen nicely. I was telling you again and again, कि carbon should have 4 bonds. Be careful. ठीक है ना? So you have to think like this. कि see CH3 is there ना, means 2 terminal. CH is there. So you write CH. CH connected to 1 CH3. 2 CH3. 2 CH3 are connected here only. 2 CH3 are connected here only. Branch is there. What is there? Branch is there. Clear? Acha, how to draw bond line of this? You can draw bond line like this. This is bond line. Y. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. Clear? समझ में आ गया? So now these things we will again continue in the next class. We will see some difficult things also. We will see NCERT questions. Enough for today. If you are interested, I will show you where this is present in NCERT. NCERT, you have to open Organic Chemistry, some basic principle and technique, page 259, and you can try. You can try 8.4 question. Don't try everything, but you can try 8.4, 8.5. Chalo. 8.4, 8.5. This you can try at least. ठीक है ना? So you can try 8.4 homework. NCERT. Solved example. 8.4, 8.5. ठीक है? So now we are having plenty of time. We are not in a hurry. This is just a beginning. Many things will come. Many things will be there. So we will see in the next class. Hope you all are good. Done. हो गया खत्म. So over. We will discuss our names when we will meet. Sarojini. Clear? Chalo, ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Just see all these things. You will get the PDF. अच्छा, PDF I can share with you. Don't worry. PDF I can share with you, and it is on YouTube, so you can also play it again and again. You can share this with your friends. Those who think कि अरे my friend should also know this. I have a good bonding with my friend. So with that friend also you can share the link. ठीक है? And you can see कि sir, see basic things I have started. You can also start. Earlier we start, better is the condition. ठीक है? Now what you will do at home? Nothing you have to do. So just take this gift from our side. Understood? ठीक है? So keep sharing, keep liking, and keep studying. We will enjoy also. Don't worry. But first we will study. Chalo, ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Good night. Bye bye.